Hello, good morning class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Political Theory and Introduction of second book. Beta. What is Political Theory and Introduction? Political Theory as Introduction. Okay class, in this video we will try to understand the concept of political theory, that what is the meaning of political theory. And as you know that political theory is our second book, and in this chapter we will study about the political theory, that what is the meaning of political theory. Okay beta, first of all I want to tell you here what is the meaning of politics. What you do, all the work which are done by you for your own interest, to fulfill your own interest, which you do the work, that all says that it is politics. Okay beta, political theory has been made one of the subfield with the rise of political subject. Here you can say beta, political theory is a subsubject. Political theory is a subsubject. Subsubject beta, it means a part of the political science. Okay, as I am telling you that political theory has been made up one of the subfield with the rise of political subject. As in political subject many things come, like how the government do the work and how the administration control executives the rules and regulation. All the things comes in your political science. Okay, and in the political theory is a sub-subject of the political science. Political theory manages all understanding between the persons and the states. Here you can understand the meaning and the function of the political theory with the help of this line. Which line beta? Political theory manage as understanding between person and the state. Persons and the states. Clear to everyone? With the help of this line, you can understand the meaning of the political theory. That in the political theory, which thing you will read, that political theory manages as understanding between persons and the states. You can say the political theory create the relationship between the person and the state. Okay beta, clear about the political theory? It means you can say the political theory plays an important role between the state and the people. With the help of the political theory, relation create between the state and the people. Okay, clear to everyone? Next one is political theory deals with how the present has come and on what assumption it may stay it and future it will lead. Okay, it means all the works, all the thinking beta, all the work, all the thinking comes in your political theory. With the help of these steps you can solve, या you can say आप क्या कर सकते हो बेटा, अपने प्रेजेंट को अच्छे से सरवाइव कर सकते हो और फ्यूचर के बारे में अच्छे से क्लियर कर सकते हो कि हमें कैसे क्या स्टेप लेना है. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? Political theory is very important for everyone, because if political theory is not there, then no one can understand the theory or principles on rules and regulations which are made by the government. Twin aspects of human dignity is rooted in political theory which analyzes certain basic questions. How should society how society should be organized, that how society should be organized. Second one is why do we need government. Here you can write down for your help beta. Two questions arise in front of us, that is how society should be organized. Like in India, how many states are there beta? 28. That when we set up a commission for the reorganization of the state, then the reorganization state decide how the state will be organized. At present the state are organized, the state are formed on the behalf of language. Okay, that first question arise in front of us, how the society should be organized, कि society कैसे organized होनी चाहिए. That means this types of question comes in your political theory, and with the help of political theory we understand the concept, we want to try the solution of these questions. Okay beta. Second one is why do we need government. Your second question, the second question arise in front of us, why we need government, that what are the profit of the government, why we need government. Here we will study about the state and public relation. In this chapter we will also about how the politics became in the world, कि कैसे how the politics formed. Okay beta. First of all we will study about the third question, that with the help of the political theory we can know the solution of this question, we can know the answer of this question. Which type of question beta? Which is the best government, which is the best government. You know about the answer of this question, of these questions beta. First one is how society should be organized on the behalf of language, on the behalf of religion, on the behalf of caste system, on which basis the society should be organized. Here one question is this. Next one is why we need government. Why we need government? What is the need of the government in our society? Third one is beta, which is the best government? Autocratic government, monarchy system, and dictatorship and democracy. Which government is the best government in the world? Okay, these types of question comes, yeah, you can say these types of question raised in front of us, and from the political theory we can get the answer of these questions. Okay, it means in the political theory you will study about how the society should be organized and why we need government, which is the best government. These types of question we will study in our political theory. Okay beta. Here firstly I want to tell you about the state and the public relation. As we know that when the primitive human being was there, primitive human being, when the primitive human being was there and you can see were there, when the primitive ह्यूमन बीइंग वर देयर। तो बेटा क्या था, जब प्रिमिटिव ह्यूमन बीइंग थे, इट मीन्स द प्रिमिटिव बीइंग डिडंट हैव एनी टाइप ऑफ द नॉलेज। ओके, वो क्या करते थे बेटा, इधर उधर घूमते थे, खाना खाते थे, बस उनकी लाइफ यहाँ तक ही सीमित थी। उनको स्टेट के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता था। लेकिन जैसे जैसे एज सून एज द टाइम वॉज गोइंग, वैसे ही उनको क्या इस चीज़ का रियलाइज हुआ। उनको अपने राइट्स के बारे में, जब उन्होंने फैमिली फॉर्म करनी शुरू की, वो उनके सामने थ्री आपके क्या है, राइट्स, 3 राइट्स, दैट इज राइट टू लाइफ, ओके, राइट टू फ्रीडम एंड राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी। हाउ मेनी राइट्स आर नोन एज द नेचुरल राइट बेटा? 3 rights are known as the natural right. First one is the natural right. You can write here natural rights. How many natural rights are there here? First one is beta right to life. In the world, every person having the right to life, right to property, right to property and right to freedom. These 3 rights are known as the natural rights. Okay beta, and we are studying about the relation of the public and primitive human being and the state. As I want to tell you about the state is a contract between the public, primitive human being and the society. ओके, जब उन्होंने क्या किया बेटा, सोसाइटी फॉर्म हुई, तब उन्होंने आपका क्या किया, सोसाइटी फॉर्म हुई जैसे ही, तो उन्होंने क्या किया बेटा, अपने कुछ राइट्स, द प्रिमिटिव ह्यूमन बीइंग गिव सम राइट्स टू ए हेड, ओके, एंड द हेड assure them that they will provide some safeguards to the public. ओके, तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्या था, जो आपका बेटा क्या है, जो आपका प्रिमिटिव ह्यूमन बीइंग थे, उन्होंने क्या किया, अपने राइट्स किसको दिए, स्टेट्स को, या कोई हेड, जो भी वहां का हेड बना वो क्या बना, गवर्नमेंट बना, स्टेट बना, ठीक है, और स्टेट ने उनको क्या दिया बदले में, सेफगार्ड्स। सेफगार्ड्स कैसे बेटा, उस टाइम पे प्रिमिटिव ह्यूमन बीइंग के पास कितने राइट्स थे, हाउ मेनी राइट्स दे वर एंजॉयिंग, ओनली 3 राइट्स, ओनली नेचुरल राइट, राइट टू लाइफ, वो जीते थे, राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी, विच टाइप ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी बेटा, जो भी उनके पास स्टोरेज, खाने के लिए स्टोर था, ठीक है, और फ्रीडम, वो कहीं भी आते जाते थे, ठीक है। लेकिन जो पावरफुल पर्सन थे वो वीक पर्सन को क्या करते, हमेशा सप्रेस करते, ठीक है, टॉर्चर करते हैं, उनका प्रॉपर्टी, उनकी लाइफ हमेशा छीनने की कोशिश करते। दैट्स वाई द प्रिमिटिव ह्यूमन बीइंग फॉर्म ए स्टेट, ओके, और तो जब फॉर्म स्टेट हुआ तो नेक्स्ट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द वर्क ऑफ द स्टेट, दैट what are the work of the state at present and at the time of the primitive human being, what were the works of the state beta, okay, any doubt till now, to any till now beta everything. Now beta your next topic is the work of the state. Can I rough this? Wait for few minutes. Your next topic is, that is the work of the state. The work of the state. As I tell you that the first and the important work of the state, first one is to establish law and order. To establish law and order. Clear beta? As you can see, at present the first work of the state is to establish law and order. For this, firstly, the state makes the rules and regulation, and implement, execute all these rules and regulations in the country. Clear to everyone that first and the important work of state, that is to establish law and order. It is the main and important work of your state. Next one is the ideological and cultural work. The ideological and cultural work. As we know that the second work of the state is the ideological and cultural work. If any type of ideology is there in the society and culture and tradition is present in the society, the work of the state to improve the condition of the culture and the views. Okay, clear to everyone? The second work of the state, that to the ideological and cultural work. The second work of the a government or the state to improve the ideological condition of the society and cultural condition of the society. Clear one beta? Clear to everyone? Third one is economic affair. Economic affair. As I told you that there are three. How many rights are there? Which are given by the nature. How many rights are there, beta? 3 rights. Right to life. Right to life. How can you survive your life peacefully in the society, beta? When law and order will be there in the society. If law and order will be not there in the society, then no one can survive in the world. Okay, that's why law and order is very important and it is the main important function of a state. Next one is a cultural. As we know that for a person, culture is very important. Okay, all the things which done by the people, mostly things are depend on their ideology and the culture. ठीक है बेटा? That's why the second work of the state, the ideological and cultural work. Third one is economic affairs. Economic affairs, beta, out of 3 natural rights, one right was right to property, that the state will provide the safeguard to the property. Okay, any type of economic affairs is there, then the state will be responsible. If we require any need, we require anything, then it is the responsibility of the state, that the state will provide the economic facility या financial help to us. Okay, clear? Next one is to liaise with other nation. To liaise with other nation. to live with other nation. It is very important thing for us that we are human being. We all are human beings. We all are human being. And second thing, we are a social person. Okay, we all are living in the society. That's why we are social person. Okay, that's why we have to make the relation with the other person. Okay, if we are discussing about the state, then the work of the state to maintain the relation with the other nation. And if we are discussing about the lower level, then a particular state, like in India 28 states are here. Okay, and if we are discussing about the country state, then it is the duty of the state government, then the Haryana government, Punjab government, Delhi government, and the other state government to make the relation with the other states politely or angriness. It is the depend on the state ideology. Okay beta. Next one is, you can say it comes in the international level also. ठीक है क्या? It is the work of a government, but beta, to make the relations with the other nation. Okay, and if our relation will be good with the other nation, then we will do the good work. We can get the profit from the other country. Clear? बेटा समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Okay, then here you studied about the 4 important work of the state. If any problem to you, then you can ask me beta. First one is to establish law and order. It is the main and important work of the state. पहले state क्या करता है बेटा? Law and order maintain करता है, establish करता है. The second one is the ideological and cultural work. Third one is economic affairs, and fourth one is to live with other nation. Okay, till now topic is clear to everyone. Your next topic is why we need political theory. Why we need political theory. Here you studied about the work of the state. You can write down here. One question also formed here, that beta, why we need a state. You have to write down all the 4 points in the answer of this type question. Okay, now our next topic is, that is why we need political theory. Clear to everyone? Here beta, your next topic is why we read political theory. As you are reading political theory book in your syllabus, then here you will get the answer of this question, that why we are reading political theory. Okay, first one is beta, the first one is that the rights and duties of the knowledge, that we get knowledge of the rights and duties, get knowledge of rights and duties from the political theory. In the political theory beta, in the political theory, rights and duties are there. From the political theory, we can get the knowledge of rights and duties, that which type of right we can enjoy and which type of rights given by us government, and which type of duty we have to fulfill for our nation. Clear beta? All these things are written in the political theory. Here one word is there, that is theory. Theory means beta all the work, all the things are in written form, okay, with explanation. Okay beta, then first, why we read political theory? Because in the political theory, rights and duties are in the written form, and from political theory we can get the knowledge of the rights and duties. Okay, yeah, you can say we aware from the political theory. Okay, the political theory give awareness to us. Without the political theory we are not able to understand the concept of the politics. Okay beta, next one is make. Next one is beta make liberal, make liberal political theory okay. The political theory makes a liberal political theory, because in the political theory you can read and understand about the benefit of the political theory. Here, what is the meaning of liberal beta? You know about the liberal meaning? Liberal means beta freedom. Clear? If all the rules and regulation are in the written form in the political theory, then there will be no chance in raise the conflict between the two organ of the government, two group of the society, two states of the country. Okay, it means we have to read about the political theory. Third one is beta, what is the third one? Increase the ability of the brain in logical. Increase the ability of the brain is logical. The political theory gives us a mind beta. Why? How can you say this? Because on the behalf of political theory you can get the solution beta. Clear to everyone? Because with the help of the political theory you get the knowledge of the government, how, which type of society should be there in the country, and why we need a government, and what the government do for us. All the things are written in the political theory. Here last point is increase the ability of the brain in logical. तो ये क्या करता है बेटा? आपको knowledge provide करता है. The political theory gave the knowledge to you that how you can solve the problem. Okay beta, till now any doubt to you? The next topic, that is importance and integral part of any society, politics. That politics is very important for every society, and you have to read, you have to revise this chapter. Okay beta, if any type of query to you, then you can ask to me. Okay, but don't forget this chapter will come in your essay 1, so please prepare your syllabus according to your essay. Okay, I'm repeating again about the political theory. Political theory is a sub-subject of the political science. In the political theory all the things are in the written form. Okay beta, and in the political theory maintain, you can say, create the relationship between the state and the public. Okay beta, in the political theory we get knowledge of all type of government, then which type of government is very good in the complete world, okay, and the work of the state, then which type of work done by the states and why we need the states. All these questions can be formed from this topic. So please watch this video very carefully and try to understand the concept of the political theory. You have to know about the political theory from this chapter, and please write down the notes related to this video, okay, and if any type of query to you, then you can ask me. Clear beta?